These days, electric curtains have become an essential item for many homes because they offer a number of benefits to homeowners. And it's no wonder that many homeowners are now looking for these types of curtains in Dubai. We provide the unique quality of electric curtains in Dubai to enhance the ambience of contemporary homes. Our electric curtains come with a host of benefits that are not offered by any other type of curtain system. This allows you to enjoy your privacy while maintaining your natural light. We have a team of highly skilled professionals who have years of experience in this industry. The team is backed by the strong leadership that put their deepest dedication towards the business to make it a success. With our stylish range, you can make your home look elegant without having to spend much on expensive furnishings and textures. Our curtains reduce environmental pollution by cutting down on external noise and blocking harmful UV rays. Our curtains save energy by providing insulation from sunlight during summer. We are one of the most reputed company in Dubai and Abu Dhabi. We provide high-quality electric curtains in Dubai.